today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Unice Hair, or Unice Hair, however you want to say it. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area, but let's go ahead and open this pink box up. Okay, in the box you get your unit in a bag, satin bag, HD wig cap, and I think that's it, and some info about the company. So that's what comes in the bag, well, in the box bag. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. And then let's go ahead and open this unit up. I do see some Bye Bye Knots tape for my ladies who like to use a little tape. Let's go ahead and take this out of the package. So this is their 7x5 Bye Bye Knots Body Curls wig. This one does come with feathered layers. This one is 20 inches in length, and it states that it is 180% in density. Usually if it comes packaged up like the way it did, I always know there's some curls going on, or somewhere in the building they're just trying to keep it protected. So when you get it, it'll stay like this. 7x5 lace area. As you can see, they went ahead and pre-cut that lace. 9 times out of 10 they pre-pluck the front of the hairline. The knots are already pre-bleached also. I don't see any combs on the side, but I do see your removable adjustable elastic band. It's a comb in the nape area. I also see your adjustable straps, and you also get your drawstring. So you got some extra security going on. Now this is what the lace looks like against my skin. It looks just a little bit light, but I am going to just add a little bit of my Tailored Crowns Almond Tint Spray. It is back in stock, y'all. I'm so happy because I was missing this. So I'm just going to add one small coat to the very front of the lace, dry it down, and then we're going to try this on before I do anything else. So this is what it is looking like on. The fit on this is actually really good. I haven't even adjusted the drawstring, but the adjustable strap and then the removable adjustable elastic band definitely makes this fit snug on my head. I would say there's a very small amount of room in the cap area in the nape, but not enough for me to complain about, if that makes sense. So if you wanted to pull the drawstring, you absolutely can. But I prefer to just bobby pin mine down in the back so that the cap doesn't bunch up. But very good job as far as the fit goes. Now, I did put a little bit of lace tint in the very front, and I only did a coat because I didn't want it to come off too dark. Plus, once I add my product, it kind of darkens everything up. So I just didn't feel the need to go overboard. So this is what the front of the hairline is looking like. I think it actually looks really good. I feel like they plucked it out perfectly. There's, of course, a little bit of lace that you can see, but once I add my product on, I feel like that's going to just disappear into my skin. And you can just try to trim off a little bit if you feel the need to. It's fitting on the sides like this. I think my ear is bending just a little bit. I was trying to adjust it to where I need it to go, but that's what it is looking like. And then on this side, this is what it's looking like. So I love the 7x5 area because it's not going all the way across, and it's comfortable enough. It's laying down flat on the sides, so I do like that. You do get all of this parting right here. It comes as a middle part already. However, you can move this to the side. Let me show you how far you can go over. I would probably not even go over that far because you're going to run into a track. So I would go over about this far and then pull some of this hair back so you don't see that track area. But this is what the parting space looks like. So it's nice and open, and it's definitely giving off scalp. The knots are very, very tiny, so I don't think you're going to have to worry about what that's going to look like. But this should be really easy and simple to install. I can definitely see the layers. Like you can see the layers already. And I'm just turning to the side in the front right here. So everything is looking good so far. I don't feel like this is going to take me long to install and just kind of play with The styles, it's laying down really nice and flat in the parting space area, so there's not a lot of density going on. And the length, I love this length because it's not too long. 20 inches is actually perfect when it comes to length, because I feel like it's wearable for every day and it doesn't feel heavy on my head. So let's go ahead and get to installing this unit, and then of course I'll be back so you guys can see the final looks, and also so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this unit. Hand clap for this unit. I love the way that this looks. I feel like the density is very lightweight and natural. Now it states that it is 180% in density. I feel like it's a little bit on the lighter side, but it's not thin. That's what I love about this. It feels very comfortable on. The fit on this, like I told you guys, little bit of room, very little bit of room, but for the most part, I love the fit on this. I like how flat this is laying at the top. When I say flat, Miss Ma'am, it's flat, okay? Very, very flat. No lumps, no bumps or anything. Now I use a little bit of my adhesive spray to install this unit. I also put a little bit of my mousse around the front of the hairline. I also pulled out a very small amount of hairs on the side to just swoop them over. If you don't want to do that, you do not have to at all. I still feel like it didn't take away from the hairline because I don't like super dramatic baby hairs or adult hairs, whatever you want to call them. So I feel like it still looks really good in the front. I also put some powder into the parting space, and it definitely helped to open it up, especially as a side part. Now, the only thing that I really had to do was recurl the front just to kind of get it tighter. The unit has been sitting in the package. The front kind of dropped a little bit more, but when it came to the back and everything, I feel like it still looks really good, especially to be straight out of the box. I also put a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum throughout this hair because I am noticing some frizziness. Not a lot of flyaways, but more frizziness, and that's just going to help kind of tame it all down. But the hair curls very, very well. I love the little wave curl right here. I love the middle part and I love the side part. I can't really decide what's my favorite because I feel like they both look really, really good. And the color on this, it is more on the darker side, but it doesn't really bother me. And the lace is on the thinner side, so it's going to blend down very well. I did have to go in with just a little bit of my powder because I think I sprayed a little bit too much in one area, and that just kind of helped to lighten it up. But I think they did a good job with plucking out the very front of this. It looks super, super natural. Like, look at that. Look at that. As a side part, you guys know the little track piece starts right there, but it still looks natural. You can't really see it at all. So if the wind kind of blows back, I think you'll be you'll be fine. You'll be fine. But I love that this is a 7x5. I like how it doesn't have to go all the way over to look realistic and still give you the frontal look. Easy, breezy, beautiful CoverGirl. I think they did a good job with this one. I like this, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. This one is super cute. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did get a little bit of shedding, not too much, and I'm not really receiving a lot of tangles because I did just style this straight out of the box. So, but I'm not really expecting much because of the body wave texture. So I think you'll be good to go. I really don't have anything negative to say about this one. What y'all think? Y'all like the middle part or the side part, or are you feeling both? If you like this unit, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.